In this video, I'm going to show you guys the most budget-friendly way you can make your own hats. I got some trucker-style hats from Amazon that I'm going to be using. Step 1 is to switch your heat press into a hat press by removing the top heat press pad. See, there's 2 screws there. You just take those out and then unplug the power cord. Next, add the hat press slider. Then screw in the hat heat press pad to the top. Plug the power cord in. Now our hat press is all set up. We're ready to move on to step 2, preparing the design. I used to make this mistake all the time. Don't forget to unpeel your design or it won't print right. Good. Put the wax paper over your cutout design, and then once it's in the right position, you can move on to step 3, heat pressing. Once you've made sure that your design is in the right place, you're gonna hold down for about 15 to 20 seconds, applying medium pressure. You wanna make sure that you don't apply so much pressure that you crease the hat, especially if you're using a trucker or any like foam brimmed hat. I wasn't super happy with the hat that I made, so I made another one using a better design. Here are the 3 steps. Set up your machine, prepare your design, heat press the design, and enjoy. That's it. Please subscribe. Goal is 150 subscribers. Thanks.